Coppenhill. This is a factory for trash. Look at this big chimney, and on top of it there's a place for skiing. Sounds strange, but that's the truth. So we're gonna have a look. It's the only place in Copenhagen for skiing. Let's take a look here first. Another big chimney. Wow, this is big. Himmeltrappen. I think it means stairway to heaven. Here you can see it. There's even to have a ski lift on top of it. Wow. I hope it's not closed. Mira, tienes un lift también para ski. The rest in the ski, in Nueve und Gras.
And grass.
They don't ski on snow, I think. They ski on grass. Wow, this gigantic. And here do you have a hill for climbing, but ay mano mia, very big. Angela para muy alto. We're going to take a lift to the top.
Welcome to Copenhill. Here, Arc is producing district heating and electricity by utilizing the residual waste which cannot be reused or recycled. We deliver 90,000 households' total need of electricity and heat every year. The big pipes and machinery that you are seeing from this elevator are cleaning the flue gas from the production by using state-of-the-art technology. This means that you can breathe clean air at the top of Copenhill, since only steam and CO2 exits the chamber. And we even work on capturing the CO2 as an important part of fighting climate change. As CEO of ARC, I'm proud of welcoming you at the world's best Copenhill. Have fun.
Wow. Grande Panorama. Here's the ski lift. It's not working right now. all those turbines in the sea. You can see the whole of Copenhagen. There's a cafe on the top. You can walk too up to here.
Sí, Fred, porque no hay nada.
Vamos.
Fred, no hay nada aquí arriba.
Ja, un café. Aquí nada.
Ah, que tú no me crees.
Ya, pero yo quiero tomar un vino aquí. There's the ski lift. But there ain't no skiing today. Big cruise ships in the back. Turbines in the open water. I think the bridge in the back is the bridge over to Sweden. We thought about taking the trip to Sweden, but you have to pay €65 just for one way if you're using the bridge. Kom, bitte komm. ¿Qué pasa? Come. Oh. Come here. Kom.
Es necesario saber. ¿Qué requisitos se deben cumplir y quiénes pueden específicamente adherirse a esos convenios?
That's it, we're leaving Copenhill. Towards the trash factory. You can walk too, but I try to take the elevator.